Happy Aloha Friday, everyone! It is officially graduation season, so I thought it'd be a great idea to share with you guys how I folded these monies into beautiful butterflies. This gift was actually created for my niece's 17th birthday. I incorporated it into a flower bouquet, but you can do whatever you want with them. I'm so excited to share with you, so let's get started. You will need money, of course, or if you want to just use paper as origami, you can do that as well. The best tip is to get money that is super duper crispy. Then additional items that you will need are some wire, some bendable wire, and some straight wire, and it really helps to have these tools, which you would find in the jewelry making section. Alright, before we get started, I wanted to show you these two examples. They're both folded with the same exact protocol with just a little adjustment depending on how big or small you want your butterflies to be. One butterfly requires 2 bills or 2 pieces of paper. To really flatten my folds, I'm using this scrapbooking tool. You could use a credit card or a hard piece of plastic. To give you a more visual understanding, the butterfly is made up of 2 bills. The top 2 portion of the wings is 1 bill and the bottom is with another bill. I'm going to show you how to fold the bottom one first. This one is very simple. You're just going to do an accordion or like a fan style folding. You can easily just eyeball it and fold it back and forth on your own. But my friend Heather, who loves doing money origami, shared with me a tip on how to make guidelines to ensure that each fold is perfectly even. For this portion of the video, I'm going to be letting the time lapse show you visually of how to fold it. You can pause, fast forward, or rewind if you need a reference. Once that's complete, it should look a little something like this. Keep it folded tight, set it off to the side, and we're going to start folding the upper half of the butterfly. Now this one is a little bit tricky. It's going to look something like this once you're done, but just remember that whatever you do on one side, you're going to do exactly the same on the mirrored side. This step that I'm doing right here will determine how big or small your butterfly is going to be. So the more you fold inwards, the bigger chunk will give you a smaller butterfly. A smaller amount that you're folding inwards will give you a bigger butterfly wing. Once again, I'm going to allow the time lapse to show you step by step on how to fold it. Again, pause, fast forward, or rewind as you need. Congratulations, you made it to this step. So this is the top wing. Once it opens up, it'll look more like a wing. To assemble it, you're going to grab your bottom wing, which was the accordion style. You're going to pinch them together, and I kind of like to fold it to create a middle guideline. And then I pre-cut this bendable wire to about 4.5 to 5 inches long. You're going to twist it around the center while pinching the two pieces tightly together. 3 rotations should do the trick. Now, just like a twist tie, you're going to twist it together so that it stays secured. You can use your fingers like I'm doing, or you can use those tools that I was sharing with you. One of them really helps to twist it really closely to the base. Once that's complete, I went ahead and trimmed the little antennas so that they're both even. And with that twisting tool again, I'm going to just curl the ends to make them like cute butterfly antennas. Final step is to carefully open up the folds that you made. This is why it is so important to really fold them down as tightly as you can so that when you unfold them like this, it still has crispy edge details. And there you have it. You made yourself a money butterfly. You can use it however you want. Because I'm putting it in a bouquet, I thread through some straight wires so that I can incorporate it into the flower arrangement. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I was able to teach you something that you can potentially use for a gift for anyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!